One bright afternoon, two best friends, Sage and Cassandra, were sitting under a shady tree, munching on sandwiches. "I wish we could eat something really special," Cassandra sighed. "Like what?" asked Sage. Cassandra's eyes sparkled. "Like a pizza. But not just any pizza. A pizza made with ingredients from all around the world." Sage clapped his hands. "A pizza from 5 continents? That would be amazing." Just then, a golden envelope fluttered down from the sky. Inside it read, "Travel the world, collect ingredients with care, build a pizza of respect, and friendship we'll share." The two friends gasped. A magical adventure was about to begin. Stop 1. Italy, Europe, the dough. The friends arrived in a bustling Italian village where bakers tossed pizza dough high into the air. "Ciao, bambini," said a smiling baker. "Would you like to try?" Sage reached for the flour bag first, but Cassandra reminded him, "Wait, Sage. We should ask politely." "May we please use some flour for our special pizza?" Cassandra asked. The baker bowed. "Of course. With respect, you've earned the finest flour in all of Italy." The friends grinned as the dough was packed carefully in their basket. Stop 2. Ghana, Africa, the tomatoes. Next, they landed in a sunlit field in Ghana where farmers were harvesting juicy red tomatoes. Sage ran ahead, ready to pick them all, but Cassandra touched his shoulder. "Remember, Sage, we have to respect the farmers' work." Together, they greeted the farmers and asked, "May we pick some tomatoes for our pizza?" The farmers laughed kindly. "Yes, but only if you promise to share the pizza with others, not just yourselves." "Of course," Sage and Cassandra promised. Respectfully, they picked just enough tomatoes, leaving the rest for the village. Stop 3. India, Asia, the spices. The air in India was rich with the scent of spices, coriander, cumin, and turmeric. "Ooh, let's take everything," Sage whispered excitedly. But Cassandra shook her head. "Taking without asking is disrespectful." They approached a kind woman selling spices. "Namaste," Cassandra said with a bow. "May we please take some spices for our pizza?" The woman smiled warmly. "Yes, but remember, respect means using just enough, not wasting." The friends carefully chose a pinch of fragrant spices and tucked them into their bag. Stop 4. Brazil, South America, the cheese. In Brazil, the two friends found cows grazing on green hills, giving milk for the famous Brazilian cheese. A cheesemaker offered them a block of creamy white cheese. Sage wanted to grab the biggest one. But Cassandra whispered, "Respect means thinking of others too." So Sage smiled and said, "We'll take just one piece, thank you." The cheesemaker grinned. "That's the spirit of respect. You thought of everyone, not just yourselves." Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.